Hey guys, how are you all? I hope you people all will be good, and I am also good right now. As you can see, I'm doing great, and hope you people all will be learning English language great way. Okay, so to be honest, if I say so, today I am not at my home, or today I am in Gonda, which is my district Gonda, or I had some work in Gonda, which is my district. That's why I came here, and right now I am sitting here. Okay, because I can say, you can say, it was related to a private job. So yeah, I I came here. That's why I came here. Or this is my friend's house. Okay, or I am not sitting here because in generation um job doing job is very important for any people. So yeah, that's why I came here. Or you can search over with your googles. Yes, my world is cool. So yes, i had I had no I have some work in Yasme World Schools. That's why I came here. Or if you want to, uh, so if you want to sew, so yes, I can show you. See. So yes, guys, as you have seen, so that was Yes My World School. Or yes, Yes My World School is situated in uh, Gonda. Okay, or in Gonda, where bus is stopped. So yes, it could be 5 to 6 kilometers far from um, Gonda bus stops. Okay, so yes, where it's situated, yes, my world is school. So yes, guys, I'll see, and I'll see how would be this result, and I will be able to work here or not. I'll tell you in our upcoming video, definitely. Okay, because in generation, to do any job is very important, and for anyone is need. So yes, guys, that's all in today's video. Or so for improving, for learning English language, just in this video I would say, if you are learning English language, so yes, keep learning, and don't think anything, just learn. And as well as what work you want to do, please keep continue. And only English, not we should depend, because it is a language. It is a language, so yeah, it is necessary to learn for anyone. And if we can converse with people in English, then we can get many opportunities if we know English. That's why we should learn. But if you are learning still, so as well as what other work, if you want to do other work, what work you want to do, so as well as you should learn also those work. Okay, so yes, guys, um, keep learning and keep crying together. And just at the end of the video, I would say, if you are watching this video first time here, so please do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon, and like this video, share with your friends, and we'll meet in the next lecture. Till then, keep practicing and keep learning. Have a nice day. Bye.